Good morning, students. This is the video of class 7 subject science. So in the previous video we had talked about the conduction of heat, that means the transfer of heat by a solid medium. That means over there we had seen the molecules were compactly packed and it was transferring the heat. Now the next mode we are having, that is the convection. Now what is this convection? Now convection is the mode of heat transfer where, that means, the molecules are very loosely packed. In the solid case we had seen the molecules were tightly packed, but here we will see that molecules are very loosely packed. That means the medium is the liquid or the gas. Just for example, I am telling, whenever we heat, when we just put our water to boil, so what happens, we see, that means if the flame is just put it over here, just like here, if this is the stand, if here is a burner, if we are giving the heat to this beaker, so we will see that, that means the water over here, that means the area nearby the heat will just get heated. When the water get heated, they becomes lighter, as well as they just have a tendency to expand. That means they becomes less denser, so they will rises upside. So when they rises upside, the cool water, the cold air just takes place. That means that takes this position. When they take this position, again they also heated up. When the whole water got heated up, so after that time you will you will observe that the vapor starts moving upside. So this is called the convection. That means the mode of transfer of heat by the movement of molecules. That means in the case of the liquid and the solid. Okay, now let's see what is written over here. This mode of heat transfer takes place in liquid and gases and not in solid, because in the case of solid we are having the conduction. It is because the molecules of liquid or gas are less denser packed and are free to move. When a fluid like liquid or gas is heated, it expands, becomes less denser, and therefore rises, carrying heat along with it. So just what I have told you all, the example is also given over here. If we will heat the water, the lower portion, that means the nearby the heat, that water will be heated up and they will move to the upside. When they will move to the upside, the colder water will move to the downside. When the whole water will heated up, they will just release the water, that means the liquid changes into the gaseous and they will move upside. So here more one thing is written, when water is heated, the same thing what just I am telling, the same thing is written over here, no need to study this one. So such a mode of heat transfer in which there is actual movement of molecules of being heated is called the convection, and the movement of molecules due to heating, that means the movement of the molecules due to the heating up, is called the convection current. Now again the same thing we're gonna see with the case of, that means here we have seen the case of liquid, but the next thing we will also see the same convection with the case of air. Now in the chimneys, okay, in the chimneys you have seen that when the something is getting heated or the coal is being heated, so what happens, if the coal is heated, they just form a smoke. When they form a smoke, what happens, the lighter gaseous molecules will move upside and the colder one will move downside. So just like that, that means in the upside they will heated and they will become less denser. When they will become less denser, they will move to the upside. So you will find that the gases molecules or the gas vapors are coming out from the chimneys. So the theory part is also written, the air nearby the heat source gets hot. The hot air is lighter, so it rises up. the cool air from the side comes in to take the place. In this way the air get heated. So what I have told you all, this is the answer. Now the application of convection. So what are the applications of the convection? So here in the diagram only it is given the AC is fitted just below the ceiling. So in the case of AC, what happens, actually they are placed over there to just that means toward the floor. That means they are so that the what the air is coming from the AC, they must move to the downside. So the downside, that means the human being which is just sitting under the sofa here, so the heavy weighted cold air will move in the downside and the hot air of the room will move to the upside. So this is the function of the cooler, or we can say the AC. Same case with the car engine. In the car engine are cooled by convection current set up in water pipes around the combustion chamber. That means in the combustion chamber there is a pipeline of the water is also given. Then third one is smoke and hot gases produced in factories escapes through all chimneys due to the convection current. If you are watching the chimneys around your area, so this is due to the convection current. One more application is also there, and we can see this thing in general life also, the sea bridge and the land bridge. So what is this sea bridge, what is this land bridge? So let's see what is sea bridge and what is the land bridge. So directly I am showing you from this figure. This one is the sea bridge. Now as we all know that in the daytime the land gets heated faster, so the one who will just heat it up faster, so the hot air will rise upside. When they will rise upside, the air from the sea comes to this place to take the that means to just fill up this place. So that means the cool air is coming from the land. So that means this is the reason, only one reason why there is a maintenance of temperature in the environment. So continuously the sun is just giving the heat, but it is just maintaining temperature. Now in the case of land bridge, so in the land bridge what will happen, again the land cools very fast in the night time, and so what happens in the, that means the light hot air, that means in the sea the hot air will move to the upside, and that means the hot air, that means the cool air from the land will move to the sea in the night time. So this is known as the land bridge. And so just we feel the, that means when we move beside the sea or ocean, we feel cool in the evening time. So this is due to the movement of the cool air from the land to the sea.